In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Metapixel on Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on your main dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand side menu and find the section labeled Apps. This is where Shopify keeps any sales channel and marketing integrations you have installed, including the connection for Facebook and Instagram. Click into the Facebook and Instagram app. Once it opens, take a moment to make sure you are in the right place because this app controls how Shopify sends website activity to your Meta tools. Next, go to the Settings tab inside the app. Settings is where you manage tracking and data sharing, so this is the key area for getting your Pixel connected correctly. Scroll until you find the section called Data Sharing Settings. This area determines whether Shopify is allowed to share customer activity events like page views and purchases with Meta for advertising and measurement. When you see Enable Data Sharing, toggle it to On. Turning this on is important because it allows the Pixel to receive event data from your store. If you leave it off, tracking will be limited or may not work as expected. After enabling data sharing, choose your level of tracking. Select the level that fits your needs and your store setup. A higher level typically provides more complete tracking, which can improve reporting and ad optimization. As you make your selection, it is a good idea to be consistent with your overall privacy and consent approach. Next, select your Pixel from the list provided. If you have already created a Pixel in your Meta account, it should appear here. If you have not created one yet, use the option to create a new Pixel, then return to the list and select it. Make sure you choose the Pixel that matches the correct business and ad account, especially if you manage more than one. Finally, click Confirm to save your choices and complete the connection. Give Shopify a moment to apply the settings. After this, your Metapixel will be set up through the official Facebook and Instagram app, which is the recommended way to connect it to Shopify. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.